So the single whip movement can be used for self-defense from a grab, or maybe a punch as well. I'll get my assistant to come out. And if he grabs my wrist with this hand and goes to punch me with that hand, I can ward off, just like the ward off roll back. And then here, using my crane's beak, I can twist out of this action here and then punch. So we'll show that again. So grab, punching, warding off, bringing the crane's beak around to twist out of this action and then punch. So one more time, grabbing the wrist, ward off, crane's beak, around, punch. And you can also test these movements, like the movement in the form. Yep. So one more time. So here. There we go. Thank you very much. And that's our application for single whip.